Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of SQL, that's structured query language, and why it's so essential in the tech world. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why SQL is a must-know for anyone dealing with data. Alright, let's start with the basics. SQL is a standardized programming language specifically designed for managing and manipulating databases. Imagine you have a huge spreadsheet with tons of data. Now, instead of scrolling endlessly to find what you need, SQL lets you ask specific questions to retrieve precise answers fast. So, why should you care about SQL? Well, data is everywhere. From social media interactions to e-commerce transactions, every click, like, and purchase generates data. And businesses need to make sense of this data to make informed decisions. That's where SQL comes in. It's like a superpower that transforms raw data into meaningful insights. Let's get into some specifics. SQL allows you to create and manage databases, insert new data, update existing data, and delete data you no longer need. But the real magic happens when you query the database. Queries are basically questions you ask the database to retrieve specific information. For example, if you're running an online store, you could use SQL to find out which products are selling the most or which customers are your biggest spenders. One of the coolest things about SQL is its simplicity. The syntax is straightforward and almost reads like English. For instance, to get all the names from a customers table, you'd write, "Select name from customers." Easy, right? This simplicity makes SQL accessible to both beginners and experienced programmers. Now you might be wondering, where do I use SQL? Well, it's pretty much the backbone of any database management system. Popular systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and even some NoSQL databases use variations of SQL. It's also integrated into many data analysis tools and platforms, making it indispensable for data scientists and analysts. In today's data-driven world, knowing SQL can give you a significant edge. Whether you're looking to boost your career in tech, handle big data projects, or just understand the data around you, SQL is your go-to tool. And the best part, there are tons of resources available online to help you learn SQL, from interactive tutorials to full-fledged courses. So there you have it, a quick dive into the world of SQL and why it's so important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and happy querying!